Hello YouTube, today I'm bringing you my top 15 apps that you can use from home. You can use part-time work or full-time work, but most importantly, it'll bring you extra cash. Everything that I'll discuss in this video will have more information and links to every app or website in the description area under this video. I have personal knowledge of most of the apps, but if I haven't used them directly, I know someone that has, so I pretty much have first-hand knowledge from people that use these apps directly. First up on the list is Amazon Flex. It's an independent contractor app. You'll find the link in the description to go to the website because you won't find it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So you'll sign up for Amazon Flex. You'll go through a background check process where they'll check your license history, your criminal history. They'll also give you an I-9 form, basically saying that you're an independent contractor through Amazon Flex. You'll use your personal vehicle, and once you're approved, you'll see inside the app they'll give you what's called box, or it's basically a time frame. Just say, for example, the time frame is a 3-hour block from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna show you the example from my personal app. As you can see, the blocks are 4 hours, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. You have one coming up for 3 hours, and for 4 hours they'll pay you $82 to deliver packages. And there's another one, 3 hours, they'll pay you from 2:45 to 5:45, $93 to you're basically in $31 an hour to deliver specific packages. What I like most about Amazon Flex is the fact that it pays 2 times a week. You'll get paid probably 10 a.m. on Tuesday and Thursday directly to your bank account, immediately to your bank account for the work that you did for Monday or Sunday, because it's 7 days a week. So you get paid 2 days a week, and I mean, it's really no complaints. You can make as much as you want. You can do 3 blocks a day, and that could equal up to $250 or $300. You're not being taxed. You have to pay your own taxes. So it's really what you make it at. That's why I listed this as number 1. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. I have at least 200 apps and websites that you could use to make part-time money or full-time money. Some people even quit their regular jobs and made money from these apps because these apps paid more than their jobs. Number 2 on the list is an app called UShip. This is an app that's you could download this app from the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store. What you do is you sign up, and you're not going through a background check. You're not going through a license check. You don't even have to be an official shipping company. So what you're going to do is, after the sign up process, you're going to log into the UShip app, and the first thing you'll see is that they have different options. You can search for different deliveries, different sizes of deliveries. If the deliveries are in your specific area, you can watch certain deliveries to see if the prices go lower. And most importantly with this app is these are bids. So the price that you see, it can be lower. You're bidding on the job, basically like a contractor. You're saying, okay, this guy is bidding $210, I'll bid $200 and I'll do it. So you're looking at a Mercedes-Benz that needs to be shipped. The current price is $300 something dollars, because it might go down, it might go a little lower. For 65 miles, if you're going in that area from Levittown to Lady Lake, Florida, maybe it's worth it, maybe it's not. But I'm never shipping vehicles. I'm shipping boxes, or I shipped a mirror a couple weeks ago. Like this one here, 50 boxes of sneakers from a store to a warehouse for $225. It's a 62-mile trek, but if it's worth it for you, you know, you can take it. You can sign up for it, and the person that's making the offer is saying, okay, well, I like what your offer is. I accept you to do the job. And you'll go pick it up and deliver it where it needs to go. And that's it. Now, what you're looking at now is a 2-bedroom apartment that they want everything moved out and shipped to another house. Now, maybe it's not worth it, maybe it is, I don't know. That's something that I wouldn't do personally, but if you have the helping hand and the type of vehicle that's needed for a kind of move like that, you should go for it. Right here is 2 items to transport. I clicked into this a couple of days ago and it's still here. So I guess it's not appealing enough for enough people and they just want to accept the job, but it's basically a chair and a cabinet. Now, you can find small items here. You can find small items here like boxes of toilet tissue. You'll be surprised what people want to have shipped. Mainly, you'll find people that buy things from eBay and they'll want it shipped to their house from whatever location they bought it from, because maybe it's a washing machine and a dryer and they need it delivered 30 miles, and if they use a shipping company outside of this app, they'll probably charge them $600 or $700 when you'll probably do it for $400 and you'll make your cut. And maybe it's lucrative, maybe it's not, but it's easy money, it's guaranteed money, and you'll be happy with the outcome if you accept the certain deliveries. Number 3 on the list is DoorDash. Not the DoorDash you're thinking. I'm talking about being an actual DoorDash driver. You're called a dasher. So what you do is the same process as Amazon Flex. They actually use the same company, or do they? I know Dasher uses Checker to check your background check and your driving history. And basically, you're the same thing as Amazon Flex. You're an independent contractor. So it'll take you about a week to go through the process if your background is clear. And they're going to send you a DoorDash kit. It's basically going to be a DoorDash bag. It's going to be a red bag, and it's going to send you a debit card. So what the debit card is for is if you go into a store and the order isn't prepaid, you're going to have your DoorDash debit card. You're going to go to the cashier. You're going to select credit, and it's going to be paid for by DoorDash. They're going to give you the food. You're going to put in your DoorDash bag, and you're going to deliver to wherever you decided to deliver. And the best part about it is you can be paid every single day. So what you're looking at now is coverage area. And basically in this coverage area, you see plus 10, plus $8, plus $5, plus $4. That's basically saying that this area doesn't have enough drivers, but they have more orders than they have drivers. So we're going to give you a $10 bonus for each delivery that you make, on top of tip and a portion of the delivery fee. The delivery fee is always $5. You'll get a portion of that, and you'll get a tip. If someone's ordering $100 worth of food and giving you a 10% tip, you're getting $10 plus the extra 10 that they're offering you here as a bonus, and some of the delivery fees. So you can make $20 on just that one screen that I showed you. $20 for a delivery that probably takes five minutes to deliver. And let's just say you make 4 deliveries in that area in an hour. You can make $60 to $80 based on just the distance from the store and how efficient you are at delivering food. So DoorDash I should have been number 2 under Amazon Flex because they're much more organized, but DoorDash is pretty lucrative and pretty easy to complete. Again, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have so many more apps and websites where you can just sit at home or use your personal vehicle to make money. All right, number 4 on the list is Roadie. This is an app you can get also from the Google Play Store and the iPhone App Store. This app isn't too appealing because it's basically, well, you go through a background check, like I said, for Amazon and DoorDash, but what you're basically doing is, if you're going to a specific area, just say you travel from New York to New Jersey every day, or you're just going there for a family visit. This is the kind of app where they'll say, okay, we have something that you can pick up from your current location and deliver it to the location that you're going to, like what you're looking at on the screen. If you're personally traveling from Philadelphia to Malvern, Pennsylvania, they have a $20 package for you to deliver if you're going that way. This isn't something that you go out the way for because it's not worth the gas. It says Delta, so it's 2 bags. Somebody probably lost their luggage or something, and what they're basically asking you to do is, if you're going in that area, go ahead, come pick this up. We give you $20 for it. This isn't something that you're just going to wake up and say, oh, okay, let me go here and do this, because it's not worth it. But for majority of the time, they have contracts with Home Depot. And you go to Home Depot and they have these small packages, probably a box of nails or something, to deliver to another Home Depot. And if they have 5 packages, they're giving you $10 each for each package. You're getting $50 to deliver to the nearest Home Depot in your area. So they'll probably be like 5 miles away. So that's something worth it. $50 for a 5-mile ride. For probably picking up something that could fit in your front seat. Yeah, I'll take that. But to go out your way, no, this app is specifically designed to see if you're going in a specific area, and if you're going that way, here's some extra cash you can make for this. That's it. This is not something that's just, like DoorDash, you're getting paid every day, every hour. No, this isn't like that. This is number 5 on my 3-part video. Again, I'm going to give you guys 15 apps and websites that you can use your personal vehicle or work from home and make extra cash. This one is called U-Haul Life. Basically, you'll go into the website. I'm going to give you the link at the bottom of the screen in the description area. And you sign up. You're not going to go through this background check and all these other things, because you're going to work from home. You're going to work directly for U-Haul, and they're going to offer you health benefits, dental benefits, and I think it's max 25 hours or 35 hours. I think it's 35 hours. They're going to offer you $15 an hour. You're basically doing customer services. You're answering questions about their products and different services that they offer, and you sit at home or in your bed. If you have a laptop computer, you use that. You have incoming phone calls, and even if you need help with answering a question, they have a live chat that you can use while you're on the phone with a customer if you can't answer specific questions. They pay you weekly. You can work weekends if you want. You can work part-time, but you have to work minimum 10 hours a week to qualify. So this is pretty simple, because you can just wake up, get out of bed, and sit on your couch, or stay in bed if you want. Just log in and say you're available, and you're going to start getting phone calls from different U-Haul clients, and you're being paid for that while sitting home. So that's 5 apps for you guys. I'm going to list more in my 3-part video. Part 2 will be coming out pretty soon. So just, like I said, subscribe, like, and you'll get all these different apps that I use personally, or I know people that use it personally, and I'm going to give it all to you within this week, the next week. And like I said, I have 200 different apps, so just stay tuned. Thanks for listening and watching. Please like and subscribe.